Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, you'll want to be updated to everything we are doing and the videos we're publishing. Please head over to YouTube, join the FXStreet channel by hitting the subscribe button. You can also follow Akash and I individually on Twitter, Akash at Mangyeko, at Mangyeko, and myself at Just Analysis 1. Looking at Ethereum, and I probably should have gone all the way over to Ethereum. Here we go. Ethereum, it's a little mixed here. So the same gap that we talked about last week, or I talked about last week, in regards to the bodies of these candlesticks and the Tengen-sen, as well as the Gann death cycle, which generated some chuckles in the comments, I guess. But I tell you what, Gann analysis is very powerful stuff, and I think people discount it at risk of learning something very useful in cycle analysis. But the death cycle, that 7-week, 49 to 52 day cycle, has worked out very nicely, and we've seen that retracement move very strongly. It has technically fulfilled the minimum retracement requirements of that cycle, so that has already been complete. But there's a little signs here that make me think we could dip even further south, chiefly with how the composite index is positioned here. There was this rising, or not rising wedge, but a pennant triangle pattern, and it has dropped below the lower trend line there. It's dipped below its fast average on the weekly chart here, and it looks like it's in a threatened crossing below its slow average. So there could be a deeper drop here, and I would say that that'd be limited to the 3,300 value area. There's a high volume node in the volume 2021 volume profile there, and that is where the weekly Kijun-sen is at. That's where I would expect it to go down to. The lowest it would go down to. Otherwise, the near-term support for Ethereum is at 3,800. That is where that weekly Tengen-sen is at. And that's where I really would anticipate it most likely kind of hitting and trading sideways. It is the Thanksgiving holiday week coming up. Things are generally fairly sideways during this time of, at least for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Altcoin market may have a lot more action, but things like Bitcoin and Ethereum may be more sideways. But if there is any further downside pressure, 3,300 is where I would expect it to go down to. And if there is any bullish breakout for some reason, that 5K zone is the very obvious one, then 50, and then that $5,800 to $6,000 level after that. That's what I see. Akash, I'm not sure what you see.
Okay, so let me just pull up my chart. Right, so I want to keep it clean. I'm on a 6-hour time frame here, and what I want to talk about is this recent price swing, which moved about the swing high here at 43.43 approximately, and we're right now hovering in this demand zone here, ranging from 3.9 to approximately 4.1. And what I would expect right now is like a minor pump, which tries to collect liquidity resting above this high here at 4,337. But I don't see much upside to Ethereum. But if it does break below this demand zone, the demand zone's lower limit, kind of, let's assume this is 4,000 for now. If we do get this, then I'm expecting it to collect liquidity resting below these lows over here, which is approximately 3,900, 3,700. And if we lose the 3,700 level, it's like a steep drop to 3,400. And I've been talking about 3,400, 3,200 for quite some time now. So as John mentioned, right, I'm expecting 3,400 to 3,200 to be a stable support where we could see some kind of buying happening. So if we do come down to this level here, I'm expecting a good reversal, at least an attempted reversal. So this is the level that I'm looking at, 3,400 to 3,176. From an on-chain perspective, the IMAP shows something similar, 3,400 as like the next support level. So it ranges from 3,400 to 4,000. So that's what I'll be looking at. If we do lose this, then it's 3,400 to 3,500, which is a little steep. I'm not sure if it's going to happen, so I don't want to speculate on that. But yeah, that's my take on Ethereum.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Akash, and thank you everybody for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.